Ever wondered why some people seem to have an unending reservoir of willpower while others struggle to stay disciplined? The answer might not be as mystical as one might think. It's all about understanding one's own psychology and applying something called the sprinting theory. Imagine running a race. It's all about pacing. If you sprint too quickly, you'll exhaust yourself before reaching the finish line. But if you pace yourself too slowly, you might find yourself falling behind. This is where the sprinting theory comes into play. It's about finding the right pace for your discipline, akin to knowing whether you're running a marathon or a 100-meter dash. Research suggests that self-discipline is a fuel, not a state of mind. It's like the energy needed to complete a race. Use too much too quickly and you'll burn out. Use too little and you won't make much progress. One study found that participants who had already used some of their self-discipline on a task performed worse on a second task requiring self-discipline. This suggests that self-discipline, like physical energy, can be depleted. So, how does one apply sprinting theory to self-discipline? First, it's important to define the critical period, the period in which you need to exert the most discipline. This could be 10 minutes, a day, 2 months, or even a year. Knowing the length of this race helps set the right pace for your discipline. Next, commit to this critical period. Set a written goal and motivate yourself to stick to it. This focuses all your self-discipline energy in one place. The trick is to avoid setting unrealistic critical periods. A common mistake is to aim for forever, which usually results in not having enough discipline to overcome the initial hurdles. By defining a realistic critical period, you can summon enough force to get over the initial obstacles, just like a sprinter at the start of a race. In conclusion, self-discipline isn't some magical, elusive force. It's a fuel that can be managed and replenished. By applying the sprinting theory, you can pace your discipline, focus your energy, and ultimately achieve your goals. It's about understanding the length of your race and pacing yourself accordingly. Now, are you ready to start your race?